This is all-in-one robot actuator built under $7, combined with 2 open-source projects in comments below. It is the foundation for any robotic project. Torque test shows 7 Nm easily, which is like $1 per Nm. Either choose STM service for any PCB vendor, or hand soldering like me to save extra bucks. It is satisfying to put the solder on and it look like this. Apply 235 Celsius degree. It took me around 4 minutes to wait the temperature to get slowly raised to avoid heat damage. With absolute encoder on the back, we can mount the board directly on the motor. Flash the framework, we can achieve closed-loop current FOC control. Support CAN protocol as well. Subscribe for full build guide and let me know what robotic project you want to see with this fully 3D printed budget actuator.